You work hard, you sacrifice your weekends, and you chase every get-rich-quick scheme. Yet, your bank account stays the same. The problem isn't your effort. It's the invisible chains of mediocrity you carry every single day. If you don't break these patterns now, you are choosing a lifetime of struggle. Today, we are not just changing habits. We are rewiring your financial DNA to ensure you never remain average again. Most people believe money is just a game of math. That is a lie. Money is a game of psychology and disciplined action. If your subconscious mind is programmed for scarcity, no amount of income will ever make you wealthy. You are currently fighting a war against your own conditioning. And to win, you must first master yourself. Let's dismantle the 5 barriers to your wealth. Habit 1. Emotional spending. You are buying status symbols to feel better, trading your long-term freedom for a temporary, hollow dopamine hit. Habit 2. The comparison trap. You are spending money you don't have to impress people who fundamentally do not care about your success. That is the quickest route to bankruptcy. Habit 3. Avoiding financial literacy. If you refuse to understand how the system of money works, you are choosing to be a victim of it. Habit 4. Valuing time at $0. If you are not using your spare hours to acquire high-value skills, you are throwing your greatest asset into a fire. Habit 5. Ignoring the power of compound growth. You think you have time. You don't. Wealth is not a sprint. It is the slow, boring, and inevitable process of relentless consistency. Here is your new mission. Audit your last 30 days. Find the one habit that is currently sabotaging your potential and cut it out immediately. Track every cent, because what you don't measure, you cannot control. Shift your brain from a spender to an investor. Financial mastery is the ultimate form of independence. Don't just exist. Dominate your financial reality. Join the inner circle of the Smart Edge. Subscribe right now, and let's build an empire together. The edge is yours to take.